Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to show you what I did today, yesterday, and the day before in that big yellow house up there with my little tiny truck down below. Let's go for a little walk. Hope I can hold this camera steady for you. You know how it is when you try to walk from one place to another with a camera in your hands. Okay. So I was called upon to go to this place to build a wall and put a door in it. 8 feet wide, 12 feet high, with a regular old 3-foot wide door. Okay, here we go. We're going to ignore those steps right there. We're just going to start counting from that first concrete step. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we get to walk for a bit. 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 20. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 60. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you count that one right there, we're at 89. Hold that thought. These here are my lovely tools that helped me get this job done and had to be hauled all the way up these 88 stairs, 89. But that's not all. 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 100. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10, 12. Wait a minute. 112. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 130. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it is, 135 steps. Yeah. Here we are at the lovely wall I built. You go all the way up there. It goes under the stairwell. It goes down that side. And goes all the way to the floor there. And then it comes all the way over to here. And everything you see here was out here 3 days ago, including this door. Then I'm going to go through just to be able to give you a shot of the other side, which really doesn't look much different, except it's the other side. Okay, folks, 135 steps. Everything that you see here had to come up those 135 steps. Materials, 6 sheets of sheetrock, 12 foot long 2x4s, the door, a bag of mud, and various assorted other things. And that's what I did for the last 3 days. Okay, we're going to go back down, and I'm going to give you a nice panoramic view. Oh wait, let's go up, and I'll give you the best view. All the way up. All the way up into the light. Here we go. Yeah, here we are. This was worth it. Now, here we go. Beautiful deck. I don't know if this video is getting bleached out or not, but if you lived here after climbing 135 steps, plus those last 2 flights, you'd have this view. Right here. Yeah. Beautiful, eh? Going around over here. and 360-degree panorama, and there it is. Yeah, and if you pay particular attention to that greenhouse behind the yellow one, right in the middle of the frame there. I put that house up 35 years ago. Foundation, roof, siding, windows, decks. Once the sheetrock went up, I lost interest. Okay, we're going to go back down. Alright folks, that's the end of this video, I think. I got some work to do. I got to haul all those tools down. 85 steps, I think, because we're already down 3. And load them all up, take them home, go see if Trader Joe's still has any beer left, and call it a day. Thank you for watching this video.